wheel is broken. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super duper! Wonderful! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super duper! Perfect! Put the patches in the crescent. Octagon. Super! Parallelogram. Semicircle. Trapeze. That's great! Connect the pump to the wheel. Wonderful! Let's pump the wheel. Keep going. That's it! All done! Now help to assemble. Front loader. I knew you could do it. Now we can upgrade the parts. Go to the construction site. Keep going.